Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Q11 smartwatch, an outdoor-style smartwatch loaded with Bluetooth call and push notifications, as well as sports and health. On this video, we are going to explore the push or message notifications of the Q11. In our case, we will try and have a demo of the following applications as well as SMS. So we'll have a demo for the Viber account or Viber app, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp application. We'll also try to send a message via SMS or text messages. Let's see if it will work with Q11. So if you are interested to see the push notification feature of the Q11, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the push notification feature of the Q11. As you can see here, it is using the Lexus Fit application. And we have here a push notification feature. And we are already connected with the Lexus Fit application. So we have the Lexus Fit here. If you want to activate the message notifications, go to message reminder. Let's turn it all. So all activated, including the other apps. So we have the WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger. It's all here. The SMS is also activated, as well as the Viber. I guess we are ready now to test. Let's check it out. Let's go first with the Messenger. So let's open our Messenger here. So let's send a message. So let's send hello. Hello Q11. Then let's send a message. Wait for the notification. We receive a notification on our phone, and we have here the message. Let's dismiss this first. Let's see. So where's our message? We have it here. We have the message, the name of the sender, and we have the time. Yes, we have the time and the date. Although the Messenger adds additional messages, I don't know why. Again, let's see. Hi. And we have it here. View. Hi. We have additional messages. Yes, we do have here. It's like a notification. Chat heads. Okay. Let's try to add a emoji. Let's see if there's a support for emoji. Okay. We have it here. No, there's no support for emoji. Let's try to call. Let's see if we'll receive a call notification. Calling. And call. Okay, and we have here the missed call notification. Okay, so it works with our Messenger application. Let's go with a WhatsApp application. Hello Q11. Message sent. Let's see. Not yet. Is there support for WhatsApp? And we have it here. Again, we have the date and time. We have the logo and the message. hi. Okay, so it works with our Q11 smartwatch when you are using WhatsApp application. Let's try to call and we have here the missed call alert from WhatsApp application. Dismiss. Okay, next. So far we do have a very good results here. We have a messenger, we have the WhatsApp application. Let's try Instagram. Let's send a message. The same message again. Please remember there's no quick reply feature for the Q11. And we have here the Instagram. Hello Q11. Again, it works with Instagram app. For the missed call and we have here an audio call. Next, let's try the Viber application. So same setup. We'll send a message. Hello Q11. Message sent. Let's wait. Again. Yes, it works. But we did not receive any messages here. So no notification alert from Viber. Although it is already activated here. Let's see again. Instagram. There's no message from Viber here. Let's see if it's activated. It's all messenger here. Message reminder. Yes, it's here, activated. Again. Dismiss. Again, chat heads again from messenger. It's always happening. I don't know why. I don't know what is the reason. But anyway, let's try again the Viber app. Hello, how are you? And we have it here. Okay, so it works with Viber. Just deactivate and activate it again. Just toggle it on. You have here, toggle it off and on to reactivate. So it works also with the Viber application. How about for the missed call? Let's try. And we have here, and so it works also with the missed call. Very good so far. So it works with Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Viber. Next, let's try this one. Let's send a text, a longer text. Let's see if how many characters can it send. Alright, so let's send a message here. We have the quick brown fox. Then let's send this one. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This famous sentence. Let's see. Will it work? Let's clear this again. No notification or just delayed. Let's see. We have here the messenger and we have the message. So just delayed. So the quick brown fox Going back. What's the message? Message. We have it here. And yes, worldwide. Okay, so that's good, I think. At least 2 sentences. It can at least send 2 sentences on a smartwatch. Okay, much better compared to other wearables. Not complete, but I think it's okay. Until worldwide. From the quick to worldwide. At least 2 sentences. Several words. Next, let's try the SMS. So let's send a message. So let's say hello. This is SMS. Message sent. And we have here the message. SMS. So different logo. We have the date and time, name of the sender, and the message. So I'm impressed with the push notifications for our Q11 smartwatch. It is much better compared to other much pricey smartwatches. Although this one, very affordable, but everything works for our Q11. Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, as well as SMS. And seems like the connection is stable with the Lexus Fit app. So that's it for our demo for the Q11 smart notification. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye.